5 Sanskrit phrases that work as perfect affirmations on stressful days. Sanskrit affirmations for stressful days. Sanskrit is known as the mother of all languages. It is one of the oldest and most refined languages in the world, and every Sanskrit word carries a form of pronunciation and meaning so deep and beautiful that it is simply a delight to learn them, say them, recite them as verses, and much more. And as Sanskrit sees the perfect resurgence, be it through tattoos, or mantras and phrases, here we mention 5 Sanskrit phrases that work as perfect affirmations on stressful days. Ishwar Asti Mam Shakti. One of the most beautiful Sanskrit phrases ever has to be, Ishwar Asti Mam Shakti, or God is my strength. This beautiful phrase is a reminder and an assurance that you are not alone in life, and there is a higher power, you believe it or not, that is always watching over you, giving you all that you need and some more. On stressful days, it is phrases like these that make people feel supported, and when the world turns overwhelming, you can always lay your head on God's lap. Na Kadapi Khandita. Another phrase that instills a sense of power and belief within people is Na Kadapi Khandita, which basically means never broken or never destroyed. This phrase is pure gold because it assures people that no matter how tough the road or the journey is, there is a spark within you that will not be destroyed. It is like a pep talk with yourself, where you tell your mind and your heart that no matter what I am going through, my resilience shall remain unbroken. Lubdhasya Nashyati Yasha. Another amazing Sanskrit phrase that will help you fight through the stressful days is this one. If you feel cheated by someone, or if someone else is responsible for the hardships you are going through, just tell yourself, Lubdhasya Nashyati Yasha, which means that the greedy ones always lose their honor. If the stress in your life is because of someone who has tried to berate you or put you down, remember that acts like these don't bring good in the long term. Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. A common phrase from a famous mantra, Dhiyo yo na prachodayat, basically means, I pray that the divine light guides us all. And in times of stress and overwhelm, this simple phrase acts like both a request to the gods and a prayer that everything will be eventually fine with help from the divine. When your mind is clouded, and you can't think straight, this is the perfect affirmation to speak to yourself, and slowly you will see that any kind of overthinking or stress will be replaced with a calm and quiet knowledge. Shilam Param Bhushanam. Another phrase that will work as the perfect affirmation if you are stressed because of someone's manipulative, cunning, or sly nature is this one. Shilam Paraman Bhushana means, character is the greatest ornament of life, and this one teaches people that appearances and wicked behavior will not always make a person win, and if you are stressed because of people who use negative ways, eventually you will see that your good character will also be rewarded. If your stress comes from feeling not good enough, this affirmation will bring a sense of assurance over your nature.